Welcome to eNews Update on E. My name is Abigail Appiah, and on to the stories. The Judicial Services Staff Association of Ghana says it has put on hold a planned strike action to give room for the Chief Justice to take steps to address their concerns. The association has, however, given government 1 week to address its concerns over conditions of service. Leadership of the association met with the Chief Justice to discuss solutions to their plight. National President of JUSAC, Alex Nate, says the compromise does not mean an end to the strike threat, adding that if there is any clear indication that the government only hid behind the Chief Justice, the strike will take effect. Greater Accra Regional Minister Honorable Henry Korte announced that the ban of motor tricycles, popularly known as Aboboya, on the Accra-Tema motorway was to take effect from Monday, November 1st, 2021. However, checks by our reporters indicate some tricycle waste collectors are still plying the highway to dump waste at the Pond landfill site. Commanding Officer of the Central Motor Transport and Traffic Department, MTTD, DCOP Martin Ayi, in an interview on the Happy Morning Show with Sami Eshen, said, even though there has been a delay in the enforcement of the ban, his outfit will quickly work to ensure the law is enforced.
The ban on the motorway is supposed to take effect from 1st of November this year. And so we are going to enforce that. We have not started enforcement yet, maybe because of some logistic problems, but we've been given some boosts yesterday, and from Wednesday we will do TS on the motorway to ensure that no Aboboyas use that stretch of the road.
DCOP Martin Ayi added that Aboboyas have become a nuisance on our motorways, and as such, the ban is a step in the right direction. Meanwhile, the Greater Accra Regional Minister Henry Korte says logistics have been provided for law enforcement officers to commence operations. Rescuers are searching for survivors in the wreckage of a 22-story high-rise block that collapsed under construction in Nigeria's largest city, Lagos. At least 5 people have been confirmed dead, with dozens missing. So far, 4 survivors have been pulled from the wreckage. The partially built block of luxury apartments came down on Monday. Authorities are yet to know what caused the collapse. As rescue efforts continue, it is unclear how many people may be trapped under the rubble. Early results from South Africa's local elections show the ruling African National Congress, ANC, has 46% of the votes, with results in from just over a quarter of polling stations nationwide. The Electoral Commission said it expected 90% of results to be finalized by Tuesday evening, in a poll widely seen as referendum on the ANC's 27-year stint in charge of Africa's most industrialized nation. It added that results from 27% of the country's 23,000 polling stations have been completed from Monday's municipal election. Leaders at the COP26 Global Climate Conference in Glasgow have pledged to stop deforestation by the end of the decade and slash emissions of the potent greenhouse gas methane, while major powers have traded blame for the world's inability to agree on rapid reductions in the use of fossil fuels to limit global warming to manageable levels. There are at least signs of resolve in other areas. Nearly 90 countries have joined a US and EU-led effort to slash emissions of methane 30% by 2030 from 2020 levels. A senior Biden administration official said ahead of a formal announcement, methane is more short-lived in the atmosphere than carbon dioxide, but 80 times more potent in warming the earth. As a result, cutting emissions of the gas, which is estimated to have accounted for 30% of global warming since pre-industrial times, is one of the most effective ways of slowing climate change. This is all we have for you for the E-Update News on ETV Ghana. My name once again is Abigail Appiah.